So let's look at the stock take loader performing a physical stock take. Here we're doing the counts, but first of all let's just align this with Oracle. This is the tag counts screen we're looking at here. If we do a find, we'll find our counts there, and that's our tag name we're looking at. Here's the items and details, etc. So it's totally uncounted. Now going back to the loader, we download the stock take count. And this will pull down all the counts that need to be done, along with the tag numbers, the quantities, etc. You can see here we've got some examples with serial numbers, and we can change the column widths to make them a bit larger for our items. In this example, we're only going to want to count the first few of the serialized items, so using standard Excel functionality, you can go and select the rest of these line items and just remove them from the sheet. So you only have to include the tags you actually want to count. Now we'll update some quantities. You'll notice further down for the serialized items the quantity is always 1, as you can only have 1 for the serialized items. We also have the option here to use the user form. You'll see here it's defaulted who it was counted by, so it's the user that's logged in. You can change this. And now we're going to upload these counts. And you can see these have been successfully loaded along with who counted them. We can also add new counts. So we're adding a new tag. We're going to select an item using the list of values. You don't have to use these user forms. We're just using them here to show you an example of how we can add some items to a count. And you'll see the one sub-inventory shows because we've only done the count for the one sub-inventory. And based on this we could create some other line items. So you can see here we've got 4 other items that we wish to count. And on purpose here we'll have an error on the last line item. And that's because that item doesn't exist in this organization. So we can use the user form here if we want, or we can just manually change this item to another one. In our case we'll use the user form and we'll select another item. And we just simply upload these. And when we upload, you'll notice that the tag number comes back into the spreadsheet for us. We can also download these tags, so we'll just make sure we get the right organization and the physical count name. You can see our results here of what's been loaded. By default it orders by the item number, but we can change this to be by the tag number too. And if we go into Oracle, we can see our counts have now been performed and are valid and listed. We can also query up our counts for the new tags that we created, and you can see the values there too.